Hello guys, I'll show you what's up YouTube. So today I'm gonna show you how to hack Laptop Sharpshooter. So in Cheat Engine 6.7, it's 100% working guys. Open the laptop and Cheat Engine. Then what I do. So guys, so first open Cheat Laptop, check the money. Then you go to Cheat Engine guys. Then first you select which it is. So guys, it is template. You can see, open it. So now, just want to see the amount of laptop, guys. Okay, I'm not going this. Still I'm going here. I want to base my money so I can hack it. Not this, yeah, this. I can buy more. Okay, I don't want to base money for 50. Just for 200. So 99, oh god, 9950, so 9950, then 8666, and 6, then what's it guys, then what's it, 950, yeah. So next, let's see what 663. So just going to write 3. Just gonna use scan. First scan. Okay, we found 4 of these. You're just gonna click it and write and just press Control A. Oh God, it's not working. Wait a minute. Take some time, guys. Take this. Okay. There we go. So guys, just select it out. Just gonna click it and select Control A. Then just gonna click it. Control. Just click Control Enter. So it will ask which value. So just write the value. But the value must be just lower than 1 million, guys. Because if it's billion, or 1 trillion, it cannot. Because the game would be banned, which means that you can never ever open the game. It's completely hacked. The game software is fake. So 999999. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, guys. So it's just simple, guys. Just gonna keep okay. Oh my God! So you can see something, guys. It's a red thing. Guys, can you see this red? Can you see this red 999s and 999s right here? What it's just gonna do is last toe. Yeah, can you check it out, guys? The value is changing, guys. It's beginning more, guys. Oh my God, guys! It's guys, it's 999, guys. I hacked the game, guys. So this is very cool. You can waste any money right now. So guys, I already bought one gun, guys. It's very awesome gun, guys. So I'm gonna check out. So guys, so I'm just gonna buy 51. Buy. Oh my God, I have very less money, guys. So 999 is very bad. I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna enter into this value. So I'm sorry. What's the value again? Just gonna add it twice. 999 8399. 999. Oh my God. 999 83. 999 then 8399. 8399. So we scan. We scan. Yeah, we found this much of this. Control. Oh, I'm just gonna delete this. Oh yes, yes. Control it, guys. Guys, this sometimes it might not work. Control it, guys. Yes, that we go. So in here also we have to press Control A. No way, it's so cool. Guys, not coming, guys. What happened? Oh God. Yeah, what the heck? Yeah, there we go. Enter. What? Description? Value. Truly. Enter. The value must be 999999999, guys. This is gonna be my value, guys. So guys, okay, I'm just gonna keep okay. So let's watch on last talk. Oh my God, yes, guys, it's the same value I'm getting, guys. So that's all, guys. So okay, let's go. Oh my God, done. So guys, I already buy all the guns, guys. I already buy all guns right here. Also buy the mini guns. See, I buy all the guns in here too. And also I buy pistol, guys. I unlocked all the pistols and also all the weapons, guys. Is that cool? Yeah. This is gonna be really awesome, guys. I also finished all the levels by hacking, guys. As you can see. Also, guys, I also finished the nightmare levels, guys. I finished the whole game. That's cool. So thank you for watching this video, guys. And if you like this video, guys, please share it to your friends.